Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Mask mandates return to U.S. hospitals, Walgreens cuts dividend in half, Red Sea ship attacks spike freight rates, Medical Properties Trust ramps up rent recovery efforts, iPhone 17 promises major camera upgrade amid sales concerns, QuantumScape soars after successful Volkswagen battery test, crude oil prices dip due to surging U.S. inventories, and Vivek Ramaswamy sells $33 million worth of Roivant stock. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these headlines and more. Hospitals across the United States and states such as New York, California, Illinois, and Massachusetts are bringing back mask requirements due to a rise in cases of both COVID and the flu. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has reported a 17% increase in hospitalizations related to COVID and nearly 15,000 flu cases during the week of December 17th through the 23rd. This action is being taken with the goal of avoiding staffing shortages that were experienced during the Omicron variant surge. Major healthcare facilities, along with vaccine manufacturers, are keeping a close watch on this situation.
Walgreens Boots Alliance has reduced its quarterly dividend by almost 50%, moving from 48 cents to 25 cents per share. The company's CEO, Tim Wentworth, states that this decision is intended to bolster the long-term financial stability of the company. Despite these changes, Walgreens surpassed earnings predictions with a revenue totaling $36.71 billion.
An assault on a Maersk vessel by Houthi insurgents has led to a significant increase in ocean freight rates. As a result of the attack, carriers have halted transits through the Red Sea. This necessitates ships to take an alternate route around the southern tip of Africa, leading to increased expenses due to extended journeys. The detour is projected to contribute up to $1 million in additional fuel costs for each round trip between Asia and Northern Europe. As a direct consequence, shipping rates from Asia towards North Europe and the Mediterranean have more than doubled.
Medical Properties Trust has a recovery plan in place for uncollected rents and loan obligations from Steward Healthcare System, which is one of their biggest tenants. The amount owed by Steward in unpaid rent is approximately $50 million. In an effort to enhance liquidity, Steward is considering strategic transactions. To assist with this, Medical Properties Trust has agreed to provide a bridge loan of $60 million for Steward. It's anticipated that partial rent payments will recommence in February 2024.
Despite apprehensions surrounding the sales of iPhone 15, it is anticipated that Apple will make significant enhancements to the camera in its 2025 model, namely the iPhone 17. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo foresees an upgrade from a 12-megapixel to a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. In contrast, this year's model, which is the iPhone 16, is likely to retain its current camera quality but could potentially incorporate a periscope lens in its premium Pro version.
QuantumScape Corporation witnessed a significant rise in its stock value following a triumphant trial of its solid-state lithium metal cells technology. This success was verified by PowerGo. The cell's performance surpassed anticipations, accomplishing more than 1,000 charging cycles while maintaining 95% capacity. Such an achievement could potentially pave the way for a battery that supports extended ranges and rapid charging for electric vehicles. QuantumScape's future plans involve refining and expanding their manufacturing processes.
Crude oil futures experienced a decline due to a substantial rise in U.S. gasoline and distillate supplies, suggesting an unstable demand for oil products. Even with a larger-than-anticipated decrease in crude inventories, gasoline stocks witnessed their most significant weekly increase in over 3 decades. This situation, combined with lower-than-usual winter temperatures and geopolitical tensions impacting global supply, has resulted in losses for both NYMEX and Brent crude benchmarks. The energy sector emerged as the weakest on the stock market this past Thursday.
Vivek Ramaswamy, a candidate for the U.S. presidency, has offloaded more than $33 million worth of his stake in the British biotech company, Roivant Sciences. This transaction was revealed in a regulatory document and it precedes the Republican primaries taking place in Iowa. It is reported that the proceeds from this sale will be used to fund his campaign. Despite parting with a portion of his shares, Ramaswamy still holds approximately 51.9 million shares in Roivant.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you on the next wave of financial insights. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.